Have some fun with that if you've never seen it before. I'm just going to be right here, drawing these tick lines. Don't mind me. Oh, you've never seen it? Well, the trailer is hilarious. That's all I can tell you because the show never actually happened. I've never actually seen the show. Because George said no. He greenlit it, and then he redlit it. He said, nope. That green light is now red. So, Obi-Wan, do you observe Lent? Because this is my first time. It's the first time I'm hearing of it. Oh, okay, you're talking about Star Tours. Star Detours. I'm assuming you've heard of Lent before. But if it's okay if you haven't. But I did not bring anything to drink. I did not bring any hydration with me. I will be right back. It's nothing you said. I'll be back. Here I go. Okay. Sorry about that. The reason that I ask is I'm going to be going to. My family are switching churches. We've found a brand new church that we love, and apparently they observe Lent, which means we'll be observing Lent. So I have to think of something to give up for 40 days. So I'm thinking meat. I'm leaning towards meat. It works out for us because my daughter is a vegetarian, and because she's a vegetarian, that means my wife cooks at least 2 meals. One for the vegetarian meals and one for everyone else. And if we give up meat for Lent, that means she's only going to have to cook 1 meal for everyone. So that's my idea. So we've started going to the Church of the Brethren, which is funny because my, my wife didn't want to go to any church that was called Brethren, simply because of the word. It was too King James Version. The word was too KJV for her. Alright, we're going to do something different with this beard. As we obey the word, I usually pray continually, fast throughout the year, and give whenever I can, so I never felt the need to observe Lent. Yeah, I understand. That's the way I used to feel as well. And I'm going to be one with the church that I am attending right now. I don't know if you know Flat Cap Dapper Pastor. He's also a streamer. He streams in the mornings, and he observes Lent, although he's not Catholic. And I remember the way that he described Lent and the reason for practicing it. I thought, interesting. Maybe I should try out observing Lent. And then, 365 days later, approximately, I'm going to be observing Lent. Funny how things work out. Alright, so now we're going to put all of his forehead in the shadows, in the shadow of his hood. So, Obi-Wan, you're doing better than I, because I have not fasted. I have not fasted for a very long time. Probably since 1994. I said 94. Oh man, that's 30 years ago. Oh man, I'm such a horrible sinner.